Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to remove all your data activity from Facebook with a Chrome extension. It's called eSuite and it works perfectly. So let's see how it works. So I just click on the Chrome extension, open the activity page. It opens a Facebook page with all your data. And so first what you have to do is to see which section you want to delete data. So mostly you will have a big amount of data in comments and reaction, but so let's see if I want to remove this, all this data from all the comments that I made and reaction. Now I have this button start to delete activity, and then I see the category where I'm deleting data is your activity, comments, and action schema. And you see that if I want to remove data from another section, so let's say posts and comments you're tagged in, that's also a lot of data, a big amount of data that you have. If I go this now, I see that the current category changed. It's managed tags by other clusters. So these are categories of data, and you have to choose always which category of data you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete all this data from this. I can, so the best way is to activate full speed, so it doesn't wait for deleting data, it goes much faster. And also I can filter, like if I want to delete only a specific year, or all the data. So I prefer to delete all the data, so I keep it like all, and I click on start, and I agree, and I continue. So now it's fetching the list of data, and it's deleting all the data. So I mostly deleted all my data, so now I have only 11 activities. So sometimes some posts not doesn't work because Facebook has some problem. Facebook has a lot of problem on some of the endpoints to remove data. So what you just have to do is to restart again, and sometimes it works again. So like now I have one or two errors, and if I start again, the next time it will remove them. So I just removed 9 activities, and you can do for this for all your data. It could take some hours if you have a lot of data, but it's still working great.